To manage a Santander children's account, you will need to follow a series of steps to ensure the account is set up and running smoothly. First, you will need to open the account, which can be done online, over the phone, or in a branch. You will need to provide identification for yourself and the child, as well as proof of address. Once the account is open, you will need to register for online banking, which will allow you to manage the account and view statements. You can do this by going to the Santander website and following the prompts to register. You will need to have the account number and sort code to hand, as well as your identification details. To manage the account on a daily basis, you can use the Santander mobile app, which allows you to check balances, transfer money, and set up alerts. You can also use the app to set limits on the child's spending and receive notifications when they make a transaction. It is also important to teach the child how to manage their account responsibly, including how to check their balance, how to transfer money, and how to keep their account details safe. You can do this by sitting down with them and going through the account details together, and by encouraging them to ask questions if they are unsure about anything. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to set up regular transfers into the account, such as a monthly allowance, to help the child learn the value of money. You can also set up savings goals, such as saving for a specific item or event, to help the child learn the importance of saving. Additionally, you should regularly review the account with the child, to ensure they are managing their money responsibly and to identify any potential issues. You should also encourage the child to keep their account details safe, such as their password and account number, and to never share them with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can help the child learn how to manage their Santander children's account effectively and develop good money management skills that will last a lifetime. It is also worth noting that Santander offers a range of tools and resources to help children learn about money management, including online guides and educational materials.